In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a file private in Google Drive. This is an essential skill to master if you want to ensure that your sensitive documents and personal files are fully secure and accessible only by you. So let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll need to open Google Drive and sign in with your Google account. Simply navigate to your preferred web browser, type in Google Drive, and log in with your credentials. This will bring you to the home page of your Drive, where you can see all the files and folders stored in your account. Once you're in, you'll need to locate the specific file that you want to make private. You can do this by either scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top for a quicker search, especially if you have lots of documents stored there. When you find the file, select it by clicking on it once. With the file selected, move your eyes over to the right side, where you'll notice 3 vertical dots, or what's commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to open up a list of additional actions you can take with your selected file. One of the options you'll see in the drop-down menu is Share. Click on Share, and a new window will pop up on your screen. This part is crucial as it's where you'll adjust the file's sharing settings. Here, you'll gain control over who can access your file. Now, in the Sharing Settings window, direct your attention to the General Access section. This setting is crucial as it determines the visibility of your file. Click on the text next to General Access, and a small drop-down menu will appear. Currently, your file might be set to anyone with the link can view or edit the file, which isn't ideal for privacy. To make the file entirely private, select Restricted from this drop-down menu. What this does is limit access to your file so that only people you've explicitly shared it with can open it. This ensures that no one else with a random link can access this file without your permission. Finally, once you've selected Restricted, don't forget to click on Done at the bottom of the Sharing Settings window. This will save your changes and close out of the window, applying the new, more secure privacy settings to your file. And there you have it. Your file is now restricted and only accessible to those you've personally granted access, keeping it private and secure. Remember, managing privacy on your files helps protect your information from unauthorized access, and knowing how to do this can give you peace of mind in your daily digital interaction.